Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing this beautiful wedding makeup look that you can wear on your own wedding or in any relative's wedding. This is a typical Pakistani or Indian bridal look, and if you are interested in this look, please keep on watching. So first of all, I am doing my eyebrows using Maybelline Tattoo brow pomade, and all the products that I have used in this video are going to be mentioned down below in a description box. So here I'm using the e.l.f. concealer, and I am prepping my eyes applying this concealer, and after that I'm gonna be setting this concealer with the setting powder. And I'm doing my eyes first because this is a messy look and it has a lot of dark colors, so I don't want these colors to fall out on my base and ruin my base, so I'm doing my eyes first for that reason. Next, I'm taking this Huda Beauty Coral Obsession palette, and I'm taking this color as my transition color, and I'm using this big fluffy brush from Morphe. Now I'm taking this orange color and I'm gonna be packing it on my lid, and I'm using small blending brush, and I'm not blending it right now. I'm just packing the color on my crease. Now I'm using the clean blending brush, and I'm blending the edges of this color. Now I'm taking this red color from the palette and I'm applying it to the outer and inner corners of my eyes, and I'm using small fluffy brush for this. So blending is very important. As you can see that I am blending the red to the orange very good. So here I'm taking this black color from Jaclyn Hill palette, and I am applying this black color with the same small fluffy brush onto the red color, and again I'm blending the black with the orange and the red really well. Don't rush the process. Take your time and blend until you don't see any harsh lines. Okay, now I'm taking this beautiful shimmery golden color and I'm applying it in the middle part of my eyes where I did not apply any kind of color, and I'm using my finger because this is the best way to apply the shimmery eyeshadows. Now I'm taking this red color again and I am blending the edges of the black color with this red color, so you can see that there is a red hint underneath the black. So now my eyes are done and I am wiping all the shadow fall off from my face, and this is the look. And now I'm using the foundation and concealer, and I'm gonna be blending it with the wet beauty blender from Real Techniques. So here I'm using the setting powder from NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in Banana and setting my face. Now I'm taking this NYX Wonder Stick in color Deep, and I am contouring my face and nose. Now I'm taking this Mario Badescu Rose setting mist and I am applying it, and after that I'm taking this Maybelline Cheek Heat in Fuchsia and I'm applying it with the Real Techniques brush. Okay, so for the eyelashes I'm using this Ardell Whispies. These are very beautiful natural looking lashes, but if you like heavier lashes you can go ahead and apply that. And I'm using the Dew Glue, and this is in the dark color. This lash glue is black, so it's less visible than the transparent one. So here I'm using these same colors like orange, red, and I'm gonna be using black after that under my lower lash line, and I'm blending it very good with the small blending brush. Now I'm taking this golden shimmery color again and I am applying it to the inner corners of my eyes to brighten up the eyes. For the lips, I'm using this NYX Push-Up Lingerie in Seduction, and I am outlining my lips with that, and I'm gonna be filling my lips with the Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick in Nobel. Now for the last and the best part, highlighting the face, and I'm using here Wet n Wild Photo Focus highlighter in Precious Petals, and I'm using the Real Techniques brush, and I am highlighting the highest points of my face. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.